How many of you can relate to this meme? Look at it, just up there. It's beautiful, isn't it? My friend and I, not very popular, can go weeks without speaking, but we rarely go a day without exchanging something funny from the internet. Memes are simple, yet powerful. They can make someone laugh while also highlighting the interesting, perplexing human behaviors that we all have. Wowzers! But you already know this, which is why you want to learn how to make them for yourself. Let me show you how easy it is to pull one together. Come on, folks. G'day folks, I'm Jackson from the Vibe team here at Canva. I've got a question for you. Are you looking to have some fun? I assume you said yes, while also deep diving into the memeology and meme-purpose of your life. That's purpose, but for memes. Perhaps you've got the perfect idea for content ready to go, or maybe you're just looking for some layout inspo to help you get started. Whatever the reason, this tutorial's got you covered. We'll cover graphic memes, photo memes, and even video memes. The 3 kinds. You can download the last one as a GIF. It's gonna be beautiful. All the designs we'll create will involve templates, so let's just jump right into Canva, check them out. But before we do, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button if you haven't already. Let's get started. Okay, I'll start by typing memes into the search bar. Even if you end up creating something from scratch, I recommend scrolling through the templates to get some inspo. There are so many different styles and layouts. I'm in meme heaven, folks. Watch out, extended friendship group, you're about to get memed, son. Just be aware that any with that lovely crown there are for pro and Canva for team users, but all the rest are free. We love democratizing memes. So let's start with this template. This style is perfect for Instagram and especially for businesses that want to get their name out there. Luckily, I have an indoor plant side hustle that started during lockdown. It was going to be called, "Hey, you over there, come buy these plants." But of course that was taken. I'll start by changing the name and the Instagram handle. Next, I'll upload the logo and drag it over here. Now for some witty text. Since this is intended for plant lovers, I'm thinking this could be funny in a fern kind of way. See what I did there? That's a plant joke. Folks, if you haven't heard of the 5 love languages, it'll mean absolutely nothing to you, but hopefully those that know will get it. And that's what memes are all about, right? They cater to a specific audience. Okay, now time to add a photo. I'll head over here and search houseplant lady. To speed up my search, I'll click on photos only. This one's perfect. I'll drag it and drop it into the frame. Well done, plant lady. And lastly, I'll change the gray background to something more vibrant. We do love a vibrant meme. Perhaps I'll add a gradient. This simple one will do, but just so you know, there are a few options available to select your own color palette as well. Now this is ready to download or post straight to Insta. Very well done. Now, of course, comes the fun part, the divine downloading to-do list of memes and memeology alike. Folks, follow along. Step 1, just head up here. Step 2, click that thing. And then of course, step 3, select your preferred file type. Brava, stunning and beautiful. The trinity of downloading has been complete. JPEG is of course best for sharing, so I'll go with that, then hit download. Now I have a copy saved to my computer to upload to whatever and wherever and whomever I like. But if you're keen to get the ball rolling, go back to share, hit this button and click the Instagram icon. If you haven't used this feature before, you'll have to allow access before posting, of course you do. Basic photo meme, donezo, well done meme. Now I'll show you how to pull something together using only graphic elements. This time I'll type in pie chart meme to limit the search results, and folks, yum, they do look delicious. Yum, yum, yum. Once again, we've got a lot of options. There's chicken curry, apple, that other one too, all the pies. Considering Canva has a tool for adding pie charts like this one, I'm not all that surprised. I wish you could see my face right now. It's not surprised at all. Let me show you how simple and easy it is to replace this progress ring with a pie chart. I'll search chart in the elements panel, then click see more. I'll add this and then delete these numbers, bye-bye, until I'm left with the 2. And then of course I'll change that to 90% because 100 is too much. In settings, I can turn off the labels. Now it's ready to resize and change the color to what I want. I'll do that by heading up here. And the same goes for any other elements. For the background, I'll select a dark color so I can change the text to white. And last but absolutely certainly not least, I'll change the text. Up here I'll write why I do security updates on my phone. And then down here I'm gonna add 2 reasons, one being the proper reason and then the other being the most common reason. Take that, everyone. What a beautiful experience that was. Can you relate to this meme, or are you far more practical than I am? It's not very hard, so I assume the latter. Let me know in the comments, folks, whether you think I'm hitting the mark or need to step up my meme game. Folks, you know what I just realized? I jumped straight to showing you some of my favorite layouts without teaching you how to make the most stock standard memes. How rude. Let's rewind that, wicka, and do that right now. If you simply want to add a picture with some bold text, I recommend starting from scratch or selecting a basic design like this one. Designs are like pizzas, they're better when you make them from scratch. This time I want to make an observational meme about life as an office worker. I'll start by finding a photo of an office. This one with the blurred background will work very well. Next, I'll add a character that most people will recognize from popular memes. The expression on its face will pair perfectly with this caption I'm about to add. Are you ready? Watch out, everyone, for this incredibly astute observation about my world and our shared context that is intrinsically morphed to our common contemporary context existence. Context. I know my work buddies will get a laugh out of it. Now for another simple design. I'll start with this template and add some text. Then find a suitable stock image. Once that's done, I'll change the background to align with this message and voila! How long did that take me? I've completely lost track of time. Under a minute? My watch doesn't work, but I assume it was under a minute, folks. It's nearly as easy as getting heaps sunburnt at the beach for me, which happens in about 2 seconds. Be sure to wear sunscreen. But truly, the hardest part of memeology is coming up with what to say, whereas pulling it together on Canva is easy as. All right, folks, let's do one more photo meme before I show you how to add a video. Before and after memes have been popular forever. They've been around since the dawn of time. So I'm tipping they'll be around for many more years to come. This time I'll leave the text as is and simply switch out the photos to create something entirely different. I'll search young businesswoman relaxing. This smiley shot will work well over here. And now for a photo for the other side. The woman will need to look similar or not show a close-up of her face. This one is perfect. Folks, a meme like this would be great for introducing the topic of burnout to new teachers or to accompany a newsletter article on ways to prioritize your mental health as a teacher. Well done, teachers. You're doing a very good job. We love ya. Well done. Okay, the time has come to show you how to create a video meme. Are you ready? Or should I say a GIF meme? Because that's what it is, folks. It's just a GIF that's downloaded and plays on loop. Crazy. First, I'll delete these images and find some videos to put in their place. Since I haven't decided what this is going to be about, I'll have to search meme, that's how you spell it, to get some ideas. To watch a preview of the video, I can hover my cursor over the top, just like this. Ideally, I'd like to find 2 separate clips of the same person, but doing different things. I thought this was going to be difficult, but it looks like there are a lot out there. Well done, Canva. Perhaps I'll start with this one and find another one like it, with the guy doing a different expression, just like this. Okay, now I'm going to crop them both and move them into position. And then, of course, next I need to clip them down so they're no more than 6 seconds long. That way they'll loop around quick enough to hold someone's attention. folks, so then I'm gonna hit this icon here and then drag the sliders in until I'm happy with the length of a clip. Okay, time for the next one. Now all I need to do is change the text, folks. I'll type this in here and then of course add a statement to match his expression in this one. Alrighty, let's check out how this looks by hitting the play button. Are we ready? Yes, looks great. When you're happy with the design, you can download it by heading over here. Just make sure to select the gift option or else it won't play on a continuous loop. It's that easy. Folks, can you believe it? We've covered 6 different meme designs in under 10 minutes. That's 6 different memes. I'm no mathematician, but that's 1, 2, 4, 5, and 6. Well done. Internet friends, I hope this has given you all the meme inspiration you need to make a start, the meme confidence to get crafting with your meme journey, and of course the meme umpus. If you're a captain of a meme ship or something like that, you need to figure out which way north is. Anyway, folks, let me know in the comments which layouts you liked best and what you want to try out for yourself. Actually, no, before you scoot off, make sure you've liked the video and subscribed to our channel. That way you'll see more videos you love and help others find us too. If you're not in a hurry, you could even watch another one of these recommendations of the clips. Watch the one I did about my mum and some hot sauce I made her. It was beautiful. She hated the gift. Anyway, folks, happy watching and see you later.